Hello, beautiful little prince and princess. It's 12 a.m. at night. Today I have a different type of video on this channel special for you. Nowadays we are in 21st century, but still we are in very imaginary world. We like movies, cartoons, everything that is completely imaginated or animated videos. But there is one thing no one has still can solve this problem. And in the world, I don't know, but according to my feeling, half of the people will believe and half of the people will not believe there is a life after our death. If there were a life after our death, the life, the world will be very different from the imagination. And it would be very easy to die for us because after that, after death, nobody can see us. But if there is life after death, then we can see everything, even we die. Today I have a story, and the story is very amazing and very horrorful because so every night I used to go to toilet and the time used to become 12 o'clock or 11 o'clock or 1 o'clock. As we can say 11 to 1 o'clock. I used to go bathroom every night. But one day what happened? I was suffering from loose pressure. I had very hard stomach pain and even that night was a night of full moon night. So I opened the door from inside and went out. Just out of the door there was a veranda. The veranda means especially in the house made of wood there would be a small passage just in front of a door. So after going veranda, our house was uh, built facing east and west, and the door was facing to south side. So as I opened the south door and I went to the veranda, and after veranda there was a ladder made of wood. That made wood ladder was facing towards west. So as I started going down the staircase, I saw a something bright, bright light, such like a light flash. At that time, there was no available of flashlight. It is a story when I was 14, sorry 10. That means 28 years ago. There was a flashing. Flash was running here and there in the bush. Just in front of me, there was a very big bush of many plants, uh, black peppers, that nuts, and lady's finger, and other kind of plants. The tallest bush was a tree of lady's finger. That lady's finger, the top part of that tree was moving, that was moving sometimes toward uh, uh, that I'm being haunted. So the ghost, I thought that the ghost is haunting me today. So I at that time I did not afraid. So I went closer toward that because I used to go there to pee or do poo. So I went closer and closer. Yes, but the same time I did not fear. So I went and I just I did not watch in other side. Only I kept on watching that light moving and moving, moving and moving. The light sometimes moves the up another side and sometimes goes the another side, and the bush was so horribly. So the same time my stomach pain went. My stomach pain stopped hurting me. So I went just 2 meters far from that bush. I peed there, and I after finished peeing, I returned back. So when I entered inside the room, at that time my head became very big. So with so after that I never woke up at night at the midnight. After that my routine, every night routine stopped. So this was my story. It is a real story and it was my own experience. So guys, will you believe in ghosts or not? If you have any suggestion for this video, if you have any answer, please write them in the comment section. Will you believe in or not? Yes or no answer. See you on the next story or next very interesting video. Till then, have a nice day.